Okay, so as you see, the thermostat is not working anymore. We need to replace the thermostat. We don't know the model, we don't know the brand, but we don't need to know. We're just going to put the Universal from AKO. We take the old thermostat, we take it out, and we're going to make a hole on the panel with a disc, the glasses, and we're going to install an AKO instead. Now how we do it? We're going to rewire it to the thermostat with a new sensor, temperature sensor, and it's going to work like new.